Good morning, everyone. It's a Friday today, and I'm excited because it is the fitness challenge for the Brook Olympics. I will leave the description at the end of this video. So make sure that you get your materials out for today. At the top, you're writing Friday, your name, and the date, which is 6/12/20. You're writing number 1 and number 2 with the line in the middle. On the back, you're doing 3 and 4 with the line in the middle. And then you're writing exit ticket. Okay, so let's go on to question number 1. At the top, you're writing 41 minus 5. 41 minus 5. Okay, so it says draw a number line to solve this equation 41 minus 5. Use a friendly 10 strategy. So you're going to draw out a number line. And I want you to think about, if we're subtracting, are we going to start on the left side or the right side? What do you think? The right side, good job. So you're going to write 41 here. Now, the next thing you need to think about is, where is my friendly number if we're counting down? What's the closest friendly number? And remember, a friendly number has a 0 in the ones place. So if you're counting down from 41, what would be a friendly number that's close to 41? 40. So if I need to get to 40, all I have to do is go back how many hops? So if I have 41, I need to get to 40. It would just be 41, 40. I would just have to make one more hop back. So minus 1 would get me to this friendly number. But I have to subtract 5. So far I subtracted 1. So if I subtracted 1, how many more hops do I need to count back? So hopefully you said 4, because 4 plus 1 equals 5. So we have to take away 4. So take away 4 with me. So 40, 39, 38, 37, 36. And we know that the 4 and the 1 represent the 5 that we subtracted. Okay. Let's go on to question number 2. At the top, you're writing 2 plus 8 plus 7. 2 plus 8 plus 7 equals 42 minus 25. All right, so it says, is this number sentence true or false? Show your thinking. So, first thing we need to do, if there's an equal sign in the middle, we have to box these equations and put a line in the middle. I want you to solve this side first and really think about, can we make a 10 with 2 of these numbers? Think about that first when you're doing your strategy. So solve this side first. Okay, so looking at these numbers, I noticed that 8 and 2 make a 10. So I'm going to put these lines here and I'm going to write 10. Now I have 7 left. So I'm going to write a number sentence. 10 plus 7 equals, this one should be a quick one that you should know. So 10 plus 7 equals 17. Okay, I'm going to write my answer at the top. We're going to see if we get the same answer on this side. So I want you to solve this side now. Okay, so I'm going to put 42 in my brain, and then I'm going to do 2 10 sticks and 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now I'm going to count down because I'm subtracting. So 42, we're going to take away from the tens place. 32, 22, now we're counting down by ones. 21, 20, 19, 18, 17. Is this number sentence true or false? It is true. 17 is the same as 17. So I'm just going to circle this. Even though the directions don't say that, I want to show that this is true. And I can even write that it's true on the side here. Okay? All right, now it is time for our dance break. To question number 3. At the top, you're writing 16 nickels. 16 nickels. Okay, the directions say I have 16 nickels and each nickel is worth 5 cents. How much money do I have? So you're going to figure this out, draw it out, and make sure you put a capital N inside of the circle and count at the top. You can figure this out now. Okay, so I'm going to draw 16 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I'm going to put capital N inside for nickel. And then I'm going to count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. So our answer is 80 cents. Don't forget that cents sign. Okay, so now we are on to our last question. At the top, you're writing greatest to least. Greatest to least. And you're writing the numbers 278, 418, 253, and 361. Okay. Write these numbers from greatest to least. First thing we need to do is label HTO on top of each number. After you do that, you're going to take the time to figure out which number is the greatest, and then you're going to order it all the way to least. So you can take the time to do that now. Okay, so going through these numbers, I'm going to look for the hundreds place first, and I'm going to see which one has the greatest amount. So 2, 4, 2, 3. So I'm looking at these digits, and I notice that this 4 is the greatest amount, so that means that this number is the greatest. So I'm going to put 418. I'm going to cross that out. Now I'm going to go back and look at the hundreds again. 2, 2, 3. Well, 3 is bigger than the 2, so now that number goes next. Okay, looking at hundreds again. So 2 and 2. If we have the same digit in the hundreds place, we have to look at the tens place. So we have a 7 here and a 5 here. 7 is bigger than 5, so that means this number would come next. 278. And then 253 is last. Okay, it is time for our exit ticket. I'm going to show it on the screen now. If you need extra time, you can pause the video. All right, everyone, have an amazing Friday and a restful weekend. I'll see you guys on Monday. Bye.